Hello, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on this GE dryer that you can see. It's the shittiest cheap build-up dryer. My customer's complaint was that it won't start. So you look, this cheap knob, this knob was broken. Once it breaks, it expands and then it won't let this timer to spin. So the whole time customer was just turning it like that, and then they would start the cycle, but nothing was happening because actually this knob was broken from here. And I also thought that I don't have any power coming into this unit because these lights were not coming on. And in fact, I didn't know that this unit is made so cheap that they even don't have the LED lights behind the panel. So it confused me badly. If you look at the back, there's only this timer, the start switch and temperature control. There's actually no LED lights on this one. Don't get confused if you see a model like that and you see these only a small dots on it. These lights are not going to light up. There's nothing, no LED, nothing behind it. So this is the model on this unit. Yeah, so I'm just gonna order this knob and that will take care of the problem.